Multiple teams facing off here, but they're all headed in one direction, up the ladder.
The ultimate prize is 20 feet above the ring, gentlemen. Unfortunately, there's a few teams in the way.
Phoenix goes for a ride. A club with the right forearm. Saw that one coming. Oh, straight forward.
He's on unsteady legs in the corner. Needs to recover. DDT.
Oh, nasty flipping senton.
Comes crashing down.
Damage to the shoulder is definitely going to hamper your ability to fight. Able to avoid there.
Bullseye. Alexa gets reversed.
The powerbomb.
That was a powerbomb with one message in mind. Absolute destruction.
We've seen superstars put it all on the line in a ladder match. Is that the only way to win this, Corey?
It's not the only way, but big risks have big rewards. Competing in a ladder match is definitely not time to be holding back.
This match is spilled out to the ringside area, and as we can see, tension's really running high now.
Yeah, we should probably clear the way, guys.
Power slam. Good night. Bloody bulldog.
Dragon suplex, my God. Sent straight into the barricade.
Throws her back in from ringside. Whip back into the ring.
Mounting a downed opponent. Look at them go. Over and over and over again. And a slap for the exclamation point.
She avoids the attack completely.
Successful bit of offense with that maneuver. She's taking some big hits here. Slap! Oh, no, you didn't.
Yes, she did. Well, that is a sign that definitely gets the point across.
Holy, made the barricade.
Everyone get out of the way. These two are abandoning all restraints. Clear the table.
They're going to take it to the next level.
What is this superstar thinking?
They're thinking about the end. Finishing this thing off. Any means necessary. Climbing up, guys. Here we go. Getting clubbed by the axe handle. And a well-executed move we just saw there. That was a hell of a maneuver there, guys. Flapjack. Face first. Series of elbows looking to create separation. She does so. Boom.
I've seen Saxon thrown out of a few local goals like that before.
Please don't remind me, Corey.
Made her pay for her mistake. She throws her back in. Uh-oh. Jawbreaker. Drop kick.
Oh, great height.
Into the barricade. Ooh, that hurt. Counter by Candace.
From behind.
Gotta be careful not to get disqualified. Style kick. What goes up must come down, and it sure as hell did right there.
Oh, no. Now possibly set up for a submission maneuver. Abdominal stretch. It's locked in. I'm not sure she can escape it.
Yes, she does.
Turns the tides.
Don't come over here.
Cole, quick, use Saxton as a human shield. On the attack from behind.
And that was a well-executed attack. Wow, what a strike to the back. She's lined it up perfectly, right where it needs to be.
Kick to the midsection, sunset flip.
Making her way up the ladder now.
Absolutely no fear in her. Striking while the iron is hot.
Huge spot in this match right here, guys. They're back up. They're getting too close for comfort.
Well, no one's paying attention to you, Saxon. They're too busy beating the tar out of each other.
A set-up mat slam. Sent crashing to the floor. She's sent to the outside. Countered it just in time.
What is she going for? Oh, no. She could be caught here. Bad situation for her.
This isn't going to
this match.
Oh, double boots.
Now we see Morgan. Hard ride to the outside. And look at from back suplex. Very nice. Good measurement.
Gets put into the barricade. That's just hard to watch.
And that was an efficient form of offense with that move. Candace on the receiving end. Sent crashing to the floor.
Just continuing to dismantle their opponent.
Uh-oh. Come on. Ready to throw. Brutal. That is the attitude of a daredevil. The ability to take risks with minimal trepidation.
No fear, absolute reckless abandon. Well, this is a warning to grab that stuff and go.
Keep it in the ring, please. Saxton's a very fragile boy.
Here we go. Can she play?
We're about to find out. And you have the opening. Why not go for it? Goes down, grabs it, and the ladder match is over.
Here are your winners, Beth Phoenix and Rhea Ripley.
And they have now been forever immortalized with their win here in this hellacious ladder match.
This win tonight may have been a career